with election-related news, Baroda is the second epicenter of 2014 Lok Sabha elections because BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi decided to contest from the safest seat. Well, Baroda has backup mechanism to reach the Lok Sabha.
Historically, the city of Baroda has always been known for its education and culture. But now it has turned into a political hub with BJP's Prime Ministerial candidate Narendra Modi contesting the Lok Sabha polls from here. The preparations have already begun.
89 से लेकर आज तक जितने चुनाव हुए, जिसमें लोकसभा भी आ जाती है, विधानसभा भी आ जाती है, कांग्रेस का इस मतक्षेत्र के अंदर दबदबा बिल्कुल नहीं है.
BJP's two-layered strategy includes wooing the grassroots and booth planning.
इस देश को अब ऐसे प्रधानमंत्री की जरूरत है जो इस देश को विकास की ओर ले जा सके और देश की सरहदों को सुरक्षा प्रदान कर सके. 10 साल से कांग्रेस ने शासन में रहकर भ्रष्टाचार और महंगाई के सिवा इस देश की जनता को कुछ नहीं दिया.
The Congress candidate from Vadodara shares his first name with Modi and was elected by the primaries, yet the Congress stands divided. But the party keeps a brave face.
कांग्रेस का जो उम्मीदवार होता है वही कैंडिडेट होता है, वही कांग्रेस बन जाता है. तो मैं नहीं मानता कि चुनावी गुटबंदी जो होती है उसका कोई असर इस चुनाव पर पड़ने वाला है.
While the buzz is all about Modi in Vadodara, the Congress is not convinced.
मोदी जी को हम कट्टर टक्कर देंगे, कांटे की टक्कर देंगे और इन्हें एहसास हो जाएगा कि बड़ौदा को जो इन्होंने बहुत आसानी से जो लिया था वो इतना आसान खेत नहीं था.
Political analyst Professor Priyavadan Patel tells us more about the constituency profile.
So Baroda is, in my view, a city which has very strong, almost committed voters for BJP, irrespective of the candidate. If we see the history, last when Congress party won a seat from Baroda, parliamentary seat, that was way back.
And here is what the people of Vadodara have to say.
We as Barodians always feel that we have been deprived of the development which Ahmedabad, Surat and Rajkot we have been seeing with our own eyes. Maybe the lack of leadership here or something else we don't know. If someone comes here, for example, Mr. Narendra Modi is going to contest from Baroda and hopefully he should win this particular election, we are all very much delighted. Narendra Bhai is contesting from two sides, one from Varanasi, one from Baroda. Now, assuming that he gets elected from both the seats, and then he has to vacate one seat. Now, we are just worried that Narendra Bhai should not vacate Baroda seat.
Vadodara is a city that blossomed in the 80s, but has now lost its sheen of late. Perhaps a major facelift is due.
Political pundit believes that it is going to be cakewalk for BJP's Prime Minister candidate Narendra Modi from Baroda constituency. It will be big challenge for Congress candidate Narendra Rawat to save his deposit and party face. His success will be measured by the measurement of how he can check Modi's victory margin. With Bhavesh Patel, Harish Jalan, NewsX, Baroda.